Ooh, nice. He gave me a free Jello shot. Oh my gosh, this is hard to find. Hard to find. Oh my gosh. And then
and you got two of them.
oh, it looks so hot. Got to just cut my hair yet again because I still can't get it under control after this postpartum. Stuff. So, oh, I look a mess. Ooh, I just look a mess. But yeah, dang. Okay, so, oh, I just look a mess. Oh, let me check her quick. Look, it feels healthy down here, so that's why I cut the ends off. So, so basically, that relaxer I put on my hair like a little while ago, that's gone. That's cut off. This is all natural hair. I straightened my hair out to cut it. So this is all natural. This is a mess. So, but you know, I'm gonna get it braided down, and you know, I'm gonna continue putting on my hair. Ooh, nice. All right. Yes. Ooh, hello. Anyway, I had 2 appointments today. Is it so? Oh. Anyway, I had 2 appointments today, and this first one was at 10:45. Say be there at 10:45, but I think it was really at 11. But it say 11 o'clock right now, and I'm in traffic. It's at a standstill right now, but I've been going a good 5-10 miles an hour. I even left early, so it's my fault too, because I usually don't even go this way. That's on me. That's on me. But this first appointment, it was with my primary care doctor. And you know, we've been working on this little weight loss thing or whatever. Like, well, we've been talking about, you know, like stuff I could do, you know, to lose weight. Well, you know, when I first started my weight loss journey. But this was just like a follow-up, you know, see how everybody think they doing. See how everything been going. But yesterday I was like, I'm still gonna be fat. I'm not fat, okay, cool. But I'm still the same weight when you last see me. She gonna be like, this girl is lying about working out, because no, I haven't been. Like, I don't feel all the way off. Like, I don't feel all the way off. But anyway, my boyfriend was like, now you got time to lose weight. So yeah, I'm gonna start Monday. That's what the people be lying saying. I'm gonna start Monday. So yeah. So I got another appointment with the OBGYN, like at 2. So it's 11. So first of all, I'm still in traffic, so I might as well go on the way this traffic looking. I might as well go straight to that appointment. Golly, might make it on time actually. But anyway, so I guess I'll do some stuff until then. Give me something to eat, maybe. Is that car, is that what's holding us up? No, because I'm still in traffic. Anyway, give me something to eat. I need to go get some paint, because I'm going to paint my wheels. We going to paint my wheels. Go get some paint. I need to go to the beauty supply store. And it was something else. Stop. No, it was something else that I needed to do, but I can't remember. Because this little raggedy wig done had. I've been having a hat on over it, but I was like, I ain't finna go to this doctor with a hat on. So yeah, I need to go to the beauty supply. I ordered me a wig, but you know, I have to wait. So in the meantime, in between time, I need to go find something at the beauty supply to hold me over through the weekend at least. So it was something else I needed to do, but I forgot. Dang! I know what it is. I bought my baby some shorts yesterday. 2 pair of shorts, and they too big. I was just gonna keep them, so you know he'll grow into them, but no, they like too big. Like, he'll wear them next year around this time type stuff. So nah, he needs some now. So now I don't know what to do. I done left the baby shorts at the house. That's the other thing that I wanted to do. I think I wanted to go get my sticker, because my sticker went out. It say 223. Anyway, I'm just rambling. First of all, when I was in there, I should have got me a car mount. I done bought him a car mount. I should have got me a car mount. First of all, what else is back there? Oh, I just left Burlington. I was looking for the rest of the stuff for my room. So I told y'all I wanted to decorate my room. I'm not even gonna go with the blues and yellow and whatever, and gold, blue, gold, and gray. I'm not doing that no more. I'm just adding black, white, and gray. And I just got white sheet set. I had this in my cart on Amazon because everybody was talking about how everybody get compliments wearing this, so I had put it on my cart and I didn't buy it. And I'm glad I didn't, because this is $13.50 marked down. I'm glad I didn't buy that. Now I can try it for $13. And I can get something to throw in my purse. Do it come off? Oh, it do come off like that. So this is how it look. I'm just gonna spray it in there. I like it. Dang. I'm trying to see if I would like this better. Ariana Grande, I already got collab, but me, I just love cute bottles. Cute bottles. Is this a cute bottle? I don't care if it just sit on my shelf. Cute bottles. And this was $19.99, $20. So we're gonna try this one too. I'm gonna spray this one on the box. Dang, this is pretty. The scent is pretty. This one is more fun. This one, I like this way better than Cloud. Cause for some reason I feel like all my perfumes smell the same. Like they don't start off the same, but I think they end up smelling the same to me. But yeah, oh my goodness, I like that. Shit, I'm gonna do my thing today. Okay, I'm a little crusty right now, so let's see. Oh, I put too much. Lordy. Oh, Lord. I ain't got nothing to rub it. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Alright. I'm gonna rub it on my ankles. Alright. Boy, them ashy ankles gonna get it right, huh? Anyway, so, cause my next appointment at 2, so it's 12 now. So now, I guess I'm gonna go to Ross because I want to get these two big white pillows for my bed. But I swear, I think I seen them for $5 less. They was in here in Burlington, but I think I seen them $5 less at Ross. So I think I'm about to go to Ross. Baby, this smells good. I think I'm gonna spray that on me. Like I sprayed that baby cologne on me, but you know I ain't got no. I may have sprayed that Dolce & Gabbana, but come on, man. But yeah, that smells good. I'm gonna spray. Hey y'all, way after my appointment. It's way later. It is about to be 4 o'clock. I am currently at the daiquiri drive-thru. Oh, that is so funny. Alright, thank you. I'm put my seatbelt back on. And he gave me a free Jello shot. I have Blue Hawaiian and the Hulk. So we're gonna try that. See what this be like. Anywho, so yeah, I'm gonna go get my hair braided down, my under hair, Lord, y'all get it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my real hair braided down, and I still didn't go to the beauty supply because I keep forgetting. I'm just gonna be nappy head all weekend. So tell y'all something. Y'all don't supposed to drink and drive, but I'm gonna taste this. You don't supposed to do that. You're supposed to drink then drive. I'm just playing. It's whatever. I hear my old girl voice on TikTok. I don't know what I want to eat. I don't know. But about to get a little motivation up in here though. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on the closet, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Why no front of pass? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have exposed on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, each other look around. Found one to see my type. Then my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I need a girl tonight. Then I go treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. Anyway. So yeah, y'all know how people be smoking and they so good. They just want to eat and they, you know what I'm saying? I get like that when I drink. This is a mess. Anyway, stay tuned for closet a mess too. Anyway, stay tuned for my room makeover. I think the only thing I'm missing is some white sheer, a white sheer panel, 2 white sheer panels, and then I think I'll be set. Other than that, I bought everything that I needed for my room. Black, white, and silver. Black, white, and gray. Black, white, and gray. Y'all stay tuned. Also, if y'all, I got something for everybody. If y'all don't want to see that, stay tuned for me painting my rims. If you a dude, you want to see that kind of stuff, huh? You a girl, you want to see this decoration. If you a dude, you can see this decoration. It don't matter. I don't know. Know what y'all into. What I just found. It's the melted and everything. I probably like it better because I don't really care for Jello shots or Jello because I don't like the texture. But it's a little watery. I might go ahead and, you know, because I sure forgot about the chair. It's been in the car. But anyway, oh, I already showed y'all this stuff that I bought today. One thing I didn't show y'all was those pillows, but y'all know what? When I tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, I don't know. When I change my room around, I got to clean this. Oh, baby, that's dirty. Anyway, so we gotta add to the collection, y'all. The newbies from today. That one. Hold up. And that one. I don't know how I'm gonna do them because these was a lot more organized at one point. Oh my gosh, this is hard to find. Oh my gosh. And then they like sell them on eBay for like 100 and something. I ain't buying it. So yeah, this is the collection. And this is all like Bath and Body Works sprays and Bryson's toys and stuff. But yeah. Okay, so y'all see how this is just like all messed up anyway? I'm gonna paint that. This is the before. Yeah. No, I don't have an idea. I don't have a vision. Not a vision. Kind of got a vision that I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna start. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna start. the dresser is looking, I don't like it. It looked too much like zebra. I mean, you know, it's not exactly, but it's giving too much like zebra. And I don't like it. So we're just gonna do something to it. hot mess. I'm currently doing my, we are currently doing my wheels, my rims. Y'all gonna see that video drop right after this one, probably. Before, after, right after this one, probably. So y'all be waiting for that. But look, it won't even come off. I need some paint thinner or something. It won't come off. But anyway, we about to take a lunch break and go get something to eat while the wheels are drying. Okay. Replacing these with black is the plan. Okay, so I'm tired. I moved the bed. And I'm tired. I'm freaking tired. Yeah, I just really need to get up there and change some curtains. I don't want this. I needed a white sheer panel, but I didn't get it. So I don't know if I should even change the curtains yet. I love you. I want to. So I just ordered some food. I'll go get my food. I'm gonna do my curtains and stuff tomorrow. My pillows. Let me show you my pillows. Look how big these pillows is. Bigger than this whole couch. Look at that. Look at that. These pillows are big. $25. They're off. Huge. I'm just dropping stuff, child. Anyway, which drink I'm gonna make? Should I make a Henny sour or a strawberry Henny? What should we do? I know I'll be drinking tequila, Crown. That's a vanilla Crown, but I already got nothing to go with that. So it's gonna be a Henny night. Yeah, I ain't been going nowhere, man. Maybe I can go somewhere tomorrow. My man be working at night. Little second job at night. On Saturday. It's a Saturday. At all days. I'm still debating. Strawberry? Sour. Strawberry or sour? Let me see how much sour it is. Okay, and see how much it is. Not much. I guess I'll do strawberry then. So this is the strawberry Henny. These are the blackout curtains. I'm about to put them up right now. Hold up. Oh, they're pretty long, I guess. Anyway, I'm about to put them up. The black curtains. I still don't know if I should do white. I'm gonna see when I make the bed. Oh, this is how it's looking. I don't know, but the pillows are stupid. I like my big white pillows though. Those are pretty. So I'm still thinking about debating on a white sheer. I don't know. I give up on this room. I give up. Anyway, so yeah. I don't know. I'll have to end the vlog here and start another vlog. So I'm going to brunch today. Should I start another vlog? Maybe. Maybe, yeah. Just stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see the room transformation, because I'm getting some different pillows. I don't know. It's just something just not popping to me. And I think I'm going to do that white, because just something's just not popping to me. So stay tuned so you can see. Because it was so pretty the first time I did it with the gray and white and silver. Pretty glam look. But I'm trying to tone it down a little bit. That's why I tried to add the black. But I still want it to be pretty. Even though I got to share a room with a toddler. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Okay.